Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we are going to be talking about cologne spray and the many uses for it.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, then hopefully you are coming here for tips, tricks, or any stories related to beards, as that is what we do here. Please consider liking the video, commenting down below, and subscribing, just the whole cycle, the whole spiel that you always get. But what we are going to be talking today is about the cologne spray that we sell here at Fable. Today I have here the shark. This is one of the ones that I really like to use, but we have every single one of our characters in our regular line has a cologne spray. And today we're going to be talking about the many uses for it. First off, yes, you could just use cologne spray as like a body spray, something that you put on your neck or on your chest or wherever else you want to be putting your cologne spray. That's up to you, no judgment. But there are other uses that you could use cologne spray for. So before I say my list, comment down below, are there other uses for your spray that you use? Let us know down in the comments. Now, I personally have a small list that I use sometimes my cologne spray for. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So take this list kind of lightly, but there are other uses for it. One of the first things that happens is use cologne spray to spray some stationery paper. Maybe there's a book that you really like and you want to associate a certain smell with that book. Spray the book, spray any letters that you might send if you send physical copy letters to anybody. Use it while carpet cleaning. There are many of us adventurers that when we clean our carpets, we want there to be a nice smell. A solid way of doing this is after you have cleaned over the carpets for the first time for vacuuming, then get some baking soda and take a spray that you have, maybe one cologne spray, and just do 1 spurt inside the baking soda. Sprinkle it on the carpet, let it rest there for a while, and then go through and with the vacuum and clean that all up. It has a very nice scent to it afterwards. Next is also maybe spraying your clothing drawers. Spray the base of them, then put all your clothes back in. Now, take this one a little lightly because if you do too much, you don't want any clothes on the bottom to get stained, or you don't want the scent to stay in there for longer than necessary. So use this to your own discretion. There are 3 in a row that are kind of all similar. There is going to be spraying curtains inside your home, spraying your bedding, and this is a weird one, but also spraying your toilet rolls. Probably might get a couple people in the comments finding that really weird, but I'm not talking about a direct contact spraying it. I mean, have the toilet roll, just spray the side of it, or, just kind of let the mist go over the entire thing. Why not? Now, that being said, it is a chemical. You're going to be wiping. Be careful. Maybe it won't work for everybody. So again, discretion advised. Naturally, also as a cologne, it might work as an air freshener. Don't want to use too much on this because maybe when you're using it for the first time, there's a sharper scent to it. So you might want to dispense it throughout the room in different ways. Maybe spray a fan, maybe spray a lampshade if you have light bulbs in there that emit heat. That helps dispense the scent easier. This one is one of my favorites. You have, a classic good old poopery, not potpourri, poopery. Before you go to the bathroom, take the cologne, spray your toilet water. It's a very good protective scented film over the water. So when you do your business, and maybe your business won't come smelling back at you. We don't want that. We want good smelling business time. Felt weird to say that, but it felt like it needed to be said. Another good one is when you are drying your clothes. So you're going through laundry, you're doing a wash cycle, you have taken clothing from your washer and you put it in the dryer. About halfway through your dryer cycle, a recommendation that I have is take a handkerchief of some kind, spray the handkerchief with the cologne, put the handkerchief inside the dryer cycle, and then for the rest of the time, the scent on the handkerchief will lightly go into the other clothing. So if you like the smell, again, this is one of my personal favorites, if you like the shark, then maybe the scent of that will get into your clothing. Now, of course, You know, if a significant other or if your children don't like that smell, maybe have a separate load of laundry from the rest of your family. That'll save you some trouble later on. Another one for many of you who do a lot of traveling or you have longer commutes, and I don't know, there's a good amount of us that we get a lot of drive-through food and that starts to stink up the car. Take your cologne, spray the back seat. The air cycle of your air conditioning will go through the entire car and it'll smell a whole lot better than getting some fast food, greasy smell inside your chairs, especially if you have some fabric chairs. For one of our last ones here, this isn't one that easily comes to mind for many, but you're gonna have a lot of trash most of the time. Hopefully you're taking care of your house, your apartment, but if something starts to smell bad, spray the can, spray the inside of the bag. Wouldn't recommend spraying the top of everything. I would recommend kind of spraying the bottom of the bag or the bottom of the can itself, because sometimes if trash starts to pile up and you're just behind on something, it's okay. Take a spray to that and the smell won't be as bad. All that being said, please take care of your trash. It's a reminder right now. Go do that. If your trash is overflowing, please go take care of that. Pause the video. Go do it. There, PSA done. Moving on. And last but definitely not least, because of this list of things that I have been saying, cologne spray has a lot of different uses. So something that we can appreciate about using different colognes or perfumes is that you can save money on other purchases. Just buying one cologne, one bottle of this, you could have it designated for all of these things that I have listed, and that's going to save you a whole bunch of money. So what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments down below. Did you like some of the things that I said in the list? Are you going to try it out? If you have tried it out already, let us know. What are other things that you also do with cologne spray other than just spraying your person? So as always, adventurers, we really appreciate the support that you have for our community. Consider liking, comment, and subscribe. Next time you go to make a purchase for Fable Beard Company, please put in the discount code The Apprentice to get 25% off your next purchase. And as always, may your beards be forever blessed, and treasure, fortune, and knowledge forever upon your door. Good day.